Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can add a contact tag and remove a contact tag from an individual contact as well as in bulk, handling multiple contacts at a time, making it quick and easy. So first, we're signed into Command, and over here on the left-hand side, you click the Contacts tab. And now if you already have your contacts pulled up, that's great. Or if you need to use your filters here to pull up the contacts that you need to find, go ahead and do that. We're going to use our contacts that are already here. You can literally just select the box to the left of the contact if you want to add a tag to an individual contact and just choose Add Tag down here at the bottom. You can search through existing tags that appear here in the list and also use your search bar at the top. And if it is a tag that has not yet been created, you can go ahead and choose Create Tag to make that tag. You'll also be able to choose which color you would like it to be as well. For today, we'll just go ahead and choose an existing tag that's here. And you can choose multiple. So you can choose as many as you need to and click Submit. This will apply one or more tags to that contact. It may take a second, just like you saw, but you should get the banner at the bottom right-hand corner letting you know that those tags have been added to that contact. Now, to remove contact tags from an individual contact, very similar, go ahead and select the box to the left of the contact. And then over here in the far right-hand corner under More Options, choose Remove Tags. It will display the tags that this current contact has, and you can just select the ones that you no longer want to be associated with this contact. You can select one or more, and if there's a lot listed, you can use the search bar again at the top and then click Remove Selected. Takes it just a second to remove those tags and you should be good to go. Now that's how you do an individual contact. To do multiple, you can choose multiple like so, or this box right here in the column header is a select all box. So you can go ahead and select it, selecting all of the contacts that are displayed on this particular page. And then over here in the far right, right here, you can add tag. And again, choose a tag from the list or type in one. And if it's not already a tag, you can still create it new too as well. And any tags that you select in this list, and it looks like we have 3 selected now, will be applied to all the contacts you've selected. So we'll click Submit. Once you've applied them to all the contacts here on this page, if you have more contacts in your database, make sure to come here and select the next page of contacts so that you can again select all and add tag. Removing tags from multiple contacts at once, very similar as well. You can select multiple like so, or select all and come to more options and remove tags. Follow through. This will show you the contact tags that are currently applied to all of the contacts, all or some of the contacts you've selected, and you can again come through and unselect any of the contact tags that you do not want to be applied to these contacts and just click Remove Selected. That right there is how you add or remove tags to individual contacts as as a single contact or in bulk. If you are on a team, the slight difference will be you may not have permissions to create a new tag for that team. If you ran into any issues with creating the tags, you can let us know and we can double check for you just to see if that's what it is that's causing the issue. But if you have any other questions or run into any issues, you can always reach out to us via email, and that's support@scottleroymarketing.com. Thanks for watching.